Hello everyone, everything I'm going to explain today comes directly from the technicians at this experienced appliance repair shop. So relax, because we're going to solve this issue together. When a customer brings in their water heater showing error 10, they usually say something like, "I tried turning it on, and this code appeared, no hot water." We explain that this error usually indicates an ignition or flame detection problem, and the system locks itself to protect both the device and the user, preventing accidents. Interestingly, many customers tell us it was working perfectly yesterday and today error 10 showed up. Essentially, the heater detects that the flame didn't ignite properly or went out, and for safety, it refuses to start until it's checked. That's why the first thing we do in the shop is check the gas or electricity supply, making sure the valve is open and that no fuses are blown or wires are loose. One technician said, "I opened the gas valve and it fired up without any problem, showing that sometimes the simplest fix solves everything." Meanwhile, if the supply is fine but the error keeps appearing, we start inspecting the flame sensor or thermocouple, which could be dirty, misaligned, or faulty. As one technician explains, if the sensor doesn't detect the flame, the board cuts off ignition and throws error 10. This is common in heaters with some years of use or with accumulated dirt. Additionally, some experts here try disconnecting the heater for a few minutes and then turning it back on. Many clients report, "I did that and it started normally." This shows that sometimes error 10 is just a temporary board glitch that resets easily. On the other hand, in more complicated cases, the problem may be the control board, which manages ignition and flame detection. It's not the most frequent cause, but we have seen it in older units or those exposed to power surges. A technician notes, "Before replacing the board, I always check the sensors and connections, because most of the time the issue isn't the electronics, it's something as simple as a loose wire."